renting is cheaper than owning a home in every single major metropolitan area in the United States.
The dynamics of the U.S. housing market are undergoing a significant transformation, challenging long-held beliefs about homeownership. For many, the traditional path to financial stability through property ownership is becoming increasingly difficult. This period marks a profound shift in how we perceive housing. We are witnessing a pivotal moment where renting has become a more financially sound decision than owning a home. This is not merely a localized phenomenon, but a widespread trend observed across the nation. The financial calculus has changed, favoring renters in an unprecedented way. This advantage extends to virtually every major metropolitan area throughout the United States. From the Pacific to the Atlantic, the data consistently points to renting as the more economical choice. The widespread nature of this trend underscores a fundamental change in housing affordability. Consider Los Angeles, a prime example of this significant shift in housing economics. What was once a symbol of attainable homeownership for many now serves as a stark illustration of its growing inaccessibility. The market realities here reflect a broader national pattern. This current market environment starkly highlights the growing unaffordability of homeownership for a significant portion of the population. The dream of buying a house is moving further out of reach for many. This trend is reshaping financial planning and aspirations. The issue particularly impacts younger generations who find themselves at a disadvantage in this competitive and expensive market. High prices and stringent financial requirements pose substantial barriers. Their ability to enter the housing market is severely curtailed. Consequently, younger individuals are increasingly being priced out of homeownership altogether. The financial thresholds required to purchase a property are simply too high for many starting their careers or families. This has long-term implications for wealth building and generational equity. Recent comprehensive studies reveal a striking financial disparity between homeowners and renters. The premium paid for homeownership is significantly higher than that for renting. This difference is stark when comparing monthly housing costs. On average, homeowners are shelling out 37% more per month compared to renters. This substantial financial burden weighs heavily on household budgets. The perceived benefits of ownership come at a considerable immediate cost. Monthly mortgage payments are now exceeding median rents by approximately $550 nationwide. This consistent difference highlights the financial strain placed on new homeowners. The cost gap is not a minor fluctuation but a sustained trend. This translates to an annual financial difference of around $6,500 that homeowners pay over renters. This annual sum represents a significant amount of disposable income or potential savings. The cumulative impact over years is substantial. The disparity becomes even more pronounced in high-cost cities where housing prices are already elevated. In these markets, the financial gap between owning and renting widens dramatically. Urban centers are at the forefront of this affordability crisis. Examples include bustling urban hubs like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and New York. These cities consistently rank among the most expensive places to live. Their housing markets demonstrate the extreme ends of this financial imbalance. In these specific high-cost urban centers, mortgage holders can pay up to $1,500 more per month than renters. This staggering difference profoundly impacts residents' financial well-being and lifestyle. It forces difficult choices regarding housing and personal finances. Nationally, the median rent for a property hovers around $2,500 per month. This figure provides a baseline for understanding typical rental costs across various markets. It represents a widely accessible housing expense. In contrast, the median monthly mortgage payment now consistently surpasses $2,000 across the country. This stark difference underscores the financial hurdle faced by prospective homebuyers. The cost of entry into home ownership has escalated significantly. In response to these market conditions, various stakeholders are exploring potential solutions and alternative strategies. Addressing housing affordability requires innovative approaches from both government and individuals. The search for viable paths forward is ongoing. The Trump administration, for instance, has considered initiatives aimed at lowering monthly mortgage payments for homeowners. Such proposals aim to alleviate the immediate financial burden. They seek to make home ownership appear more accessible. One such initiative involved the potential introduction of 50-year mortgages. This contrasts sharply with the traditional 30-year mortgage option that has been the industry standard for decades. It represents a significant departure in lending practices. While a 50-year mortgage would undeniably lower monthly payments, it comes with considerable financial trade-offs. The extended term reduces immediate cash outflow, but increases long-term costs. This approach has both pros and cons for consumers. This extended mortgage term would lead to significantly more interest paid over the life of the loan. Borrowers would end up paying a much larger sum overall compared to a shorter-term mortgage. The total cost of the home escalates dramatically. Furthermore, this approach would also extend the period of debt for homeowners, potentially stretching it over multiple generations. A 50-year commitment implies a decades-long financial obligation. This ties up capital for an extended duration. In light of these challenges, many young people are opting for alternative financial strategies. They are seeking different avenues to build wealth and secure their financial future. The traditional path is no longer their sole focus. Many are choosing to invest their savings in the stock market. This provides an opportunity for capital appreciation and income generation outside of real estate. Diversifying investments is becoming a key strategy. They are also investing in other financial instruments, exploring various asset classes for growth and stability. This broader investment approach allows for greater flexibility and potentially higher returns. It reflects a modern approach to personal finance. The increasing trend of renting over owning carries significant long-term consequences, particularly regarding wealth accumulation. One of the most significant drawbacks of renting is the inability to build equity. Rent payments do not contribute to an ownership stake. Homeownership has traditionally served as a cornerstone for building a financial nest egg for many families. The equity gained from property appreciation and mortgage paydown provided a substantial asset. It was a primary vehicle for intergenerational wealth transfer. The accumulation of home equity provides crucial financial flexibility for the future. It can be a source of funds for emergencies, investments, or retirement. This asset offers a tangible form of security and leverage. This flexibility is especially important for covering potential future healthcare expenses in older age. Home equity can be a vital resource when facing significant medical costs. It provides a buffer against unforeseen financial strains in later life. Consequently, the traditional American dream of homeownership and family is undergoing a profound reevaluation. The changing economic landscape is forcing a reconsideration of what financial security truly means. Aspirations are adapting to new realities. The shifting economic landscape is directly prompting this reevaluation among young adults and aspiring homeowners. The feasibility of traditional milestones is being questioned. Their vision of success is evolving. This shift is leading to broader conversations among individuals about their life choices and financial priorities. These discussions are moving beyond simple ownership versus renting debates. They encompass deeper societal values. These conversations include thoughtful consideration of financial planning strategies. Individuals are scrutinizing investment choices and long-term savings goals. They are proactively charting new financial courses. Crucially, they also include discussions about family planning and the timing of major life events. The cost and availability of housing are influencing decisions about starting families and establishing roots. The housing market is impacting personal timelines.